friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Spider-Man. So let's get started with our eyes. On the right hand side in the middle, we're going to curve this line up, over and through towards the top. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the left hand side and replicate that. We're going to start from the corner on the top and we're going to arch this down, bringing that over and in on the side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, just drawing that at the same size, closing that off. Let's close off the inside of the lens now. So from that corner, we're going to curve this up and through. And then from the bottom on the inside, we're going to curve this down and then back up. Now from here, let's just color the outside portion in black. Now let's frame in the shape of the head. So we're going to start on the left hand side just above our eye, and we're going to curve this line around and in towards the middle. And then we're going to start back on this line, blending that back in together, curving this around and then down, and we're going to end that at roughly the same height. We're going to start to taper this in now. So starting back on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line in, flattening that out as we come in towards the chin. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So starting back on this line, tapering this in as we curve this all the way around and through, just connecting that together. Let's start in the center now for the web pattern. And we're going to start on the top, curving this over, on the bottom, arching that down. Right in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly up towards the top of the head. And then on the side of this, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. Let's move over towards the side again, drawing in another diagonal line, bringing that out. Let's drop down now. We're going to draw in a straight line across. In the middle, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes directly down in the center. We're going to step over on a diagonal, curving this down towards the bottom. And then again, as we move over, we're going to draw in another curved diagonal line. And now let's draw in the web pattern. So we're going to start with some curved lines here. So we're going to arch this in from the side of our eyes. Starting from that point, we're going to arch this down, back off into the center. Starting from that point, bringing this over, lining that up. We're going to step up again. We're going to curve this up on a diagonal, bringing this around towards the center, and then again on the right. We're going to curve this down and over towards our right eye. And now let's step up again and replicate that. So we're going to curve this up, bringing this down and across. From that point, bringing this over and through towards the center. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then again, we're going to arch this down and over, and then bringing this back down towards our eye. Now let's drop down. We're going to curve this line in on both sides. And then from the middle, we're going to curve this up and then down in the center, doing the same thing on the right hand side. Let's step over, bringing this line down. And then continuing to bring that over, just lining that up at the same height. We're going to drop down and do this one more time. So we're going to curve this down underneath both of our eyes. We're going to start back on the left hand side, curving this line in on a slight diagonal, bringing that down. And then we're going to close that off in the center, curving this around and through towards the middle. Now let's draw in our neck. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this line out, we are going to do the same on the right. Let's draw on the shadow underneath the neck. So we're going to curve this down and through, and then we're just going to color that in black. Now let's close off the rest of the shoulders. So we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal, curving this out. We're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's close off the bottom now. So we're going to curve this line down and in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing this down and then back through in the middle. Let's draw on the Spiderman symbol right in the center. So we're going to curve this line around and down. And then we're going to leave a gap, curving this down towards the middle. And then we're going to start on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, just replicating that, closing that off. Let's draw on the first arm now. So we're going to bring this diagonal line out, curving that in. We're going to do the same on the right. Then starting from that point, we're going to curve this back out and in, back out and in. Let's draw on the second arm. So we're going to curve this out, bringing that back through towards the top, ending that at the same height. And then again, we're just going to thicken that up. So we're going to bring this out and then back in towards the center. Now let's come down on the bottom, and we're going to curve this line out on both sides from the center. And then we're going to arch this line down and in on the bottom. Now from this point, we're going to curve this back up towards the top. And then we're going to curve this back in towards the middle. Again, we're going to curve this line out and down towards the bottom, just following that shape. And then closing that off from that point, curving this up and back through, connecting that on the side. And then we're just going to color in this symbol black. Now let's draw on the web pattern again. So as we come up in the center, we're going to bring this line directly up towards the top. We're going to bring this down on the bottom. First, we're going to step over on the side, curving this line up on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're just going to curve this over and out towards the shoulder. Now from here, let's continue the web patterns. As we come down on the left, we're going to curve this down, over and out. And we'll do the same on the right, bringing this down, over and across. Let's step over on the left again, curving this line out. And then we're going to step over again, curving this line through towards the side. And then one more time as we come over, bringing this line across. Now from here, let's draw in our web pattern. So we're going to draw in some small arch lines as we come across on the top. And we're just going to follow this all the way through as we come in towards the center. And then from the center, we're just going to continue to bring that around and up on the right. Let's move down now, leaving a gap, and we're going to replicate that as we come over again towards the middle. And then again, just continuing to bring that over on the right. Let's move down now and continue to close off the web pattern. So we're just going to curve this around and in as we come down towards the center. And then we're going to continue to flatten that out as we come across towards the middle. And then again, just bringing that back up and over on a slight diagonal on the right-hand side. Dropping down, let's continue the web pattern, curving this in, leaving a small gap, replicating that underneath. We're going to continue this through, so we're going to curve this around and through towards the center, curving this back up and over on the right, and then we're just going to follow that through on the side. Let's drop down again from that point, curving this line in, and then again from the center, bringing that out, and then one last time, just curving this up and over. And that is it. That's how you draw Spider-Man. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.